In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Alibaba Order Invoice. By the end, you'll have a clean PDF invoice saved on your computer, ready for bookkeeping, reimbursement, or record keeping. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Alibaba. In the results, click the official Alibaba website that appears at the top. This should load the homepage quickly. If you see ads or lookalike links, skip those and choose the main Alibaba.com result to make sure you're on the right site. Once you're on the homepage, log in with your account. Use the same buyer account you used when you placed the order you want the invoice for. If you're prompted for a verification code, complete that step to secure your session. After signing in, confirm that you're viewing the site in your preferred language and currency so the details on your invoice match your records. Next, go to the orders area. Look for the orders or my orders icon at the top navigation bar. Click it to open your list of recent purchases. This page shows all your transactions in one place, which makes it easy to find what you need. Now choose the specific order you want the invoice for. If you have many orders, use the filters or search by order number, supplier name, date range, or status such as paid or shipped. Double check the item names, quantities, and total to be sure you've selected the correct order, especially if you placed similar orders around the same time. Open the order details by clicking View More. This takes you into a full breakdown of that transaction. Here you'll see shipping information, payment status, itemized costs, and supplier details. This page is where Alibaba provides document options related to your purchase. Look for the download option and click it to get the invoice. It may be labeled Download Invoice or similar. Your browser will either save the file automatically or ask where to save it. Choose a folder you'll remember and consider renaming the file with the order number and date for easier tracking. Once downloaded, open the PDF to confirm it shows your company or buyer information, the supplier's details, the itemized list, currency, taxes or fees, and the final amount. If you don't see a download option, make sure the order is fully paid and processed. In some cases, the button appears only after payment is confirmed. If details look off, refresh the page or check another browser. That's it. You've downloaded your Alibaba order invoice and saved it for your records.